Hello everyone, welcome to this video. Today's topic is about arithmetic series or yung tinatawag nating sum of the first n terms of an arithmetic sequence. Okay, before we start with the basic concept ng arithmetic series, let us consider first this arithmetic sequence 2, 4, 6, 8 na infinite para may idea kayo kung ano ba yung tinatawag na sum of the n terms ng isang arithmetic sequence. Okay, consider natin, kunyari ay pinapahanap sa atin yung first or yung sum of the first 4 terms. So, okay lang to kasi nakalista pa yung sum of yung mga terms natin. So, we just simply add them. So, 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 and the answer is 20. So, the sum of the first 4 terms ng sequence na yan ay 20. But, what if kung ang pahanap sa ating na sum is the first 40 terms? So, hindi naman siya nakalista lahat. So, we need some formulas para madali natin siyang makuha. Okay, so let me show you now the basic concept. Okay, the sum of the first n terms of an arithmetic sequence, nire-represent siya na variable s sub n. So, given here, an arithmetic sequence where a sub 1 daw is the first term and yung a sub n is the n term. Alam na natin yan from the previous videos. The first n terms daw, or the sum of the first n terms daw is given by the formula s sub n is equal to n over 2, open bracket, 2 times a sub 1 plus d times the quantity of n minus 1, close bracket. So, makikita natin dito sa formula na given ay dalawang grouping symbols ang ginamit, bracket and parenthesis, na i-remove natin one by one. Okay, di ba nung nasa n term tayo ng arithmetic sequence ay may formula tayo na a sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus d times the quantity of n minus 1 na makikita natin dun sa loob ng formula ng s sub n. So, from there, makakapag-derive pa tayo ng isa pang formula na s sub n is equal to n over 2 times the quantity of a sub 1 plus a sub n. So, ang paggamit dyan sa dalawang formula na yan ay depende sa magiging given ng mga problem natin. Okay, so let me show you some examples. Example number 1, what is the sum of the first 12 terms of the arithmetic sequence 12, 15, 18, and 21, and whose 12th term daw is 45? Okay, so let us write now down the given. Ang a sub 1 natin, base dun sa nakikita natin, is 12. And then, yung difference nila, o yung common difference, makukuha yun by subtracting consecutive terms. So, 15 minus 12 is 3. And then, ang n natin is equal to 12. So, first 12 terms daw. So, ang n natin will be 12. A sub 12 natin is equal to 45, given. And we are required to find the sum of the first 12 term ng sequence na yan. Okay, so solution. Di ba may dalawa tayong formulang pwedeng gamitin? So, let me show you. So, base sa given natin, gamitin natin yung pangalawang formula because meron tayong a sub 1, meron tayong n, and meron tayong a sub n, which is yung 45. Okay, so pwede natin gamitin yung pangalawang formula. So, ayan na siya. S sub n is equal to n over 2 times the quantity of a sub 1 plus a sub n. Substituting the given values, we have s sub 12 is equal to yung n natin ay 12 divided by 2 times the quantity of 12, yun yung A1 natin, plus 45, yun yung A sub n or yung A sub 12. Add mo muna yung nasa loob ng parenthesis. So, and pwede natin i-divide agad. Yung 12 divided by 2 is equal to 6. So, S sub 12 now is equal to 6 times 57. I-multiply mo na lang and you'll get the sum of the first 12 terms ng sequence na given. Ayan. So, S sub 12 is equal to 342. Okay, number 2, find the sum of the first 20 terms of the arithmetic sequence whose A sub 1 or yung first term ay 9 at yung common difference daw ay 7. So, let us write down first the given. A sub 1 is equal to 9. Ang common difference natin ay 7. Ang n natin dito will be 20. First 20 terms daw. So, we are required here to find the sum of the first 20 terms or the S sub 20. Again, meron tayong dalawang formulang pwedeng gamitin. So, tignan mo, basis dun sa given natin, kung ano yung mas applicable. So, nakikita ko meron tayong A sub 1, meron tayong common difference, meron tayong N, and wala tayong A sub 20. So, wala tayong A sub 20. Therefore, we will use the first formula. Okay? So, ayan na siya. Substitute na lang natin yung mga given values. So, S sub 20 is equal to, ang N natin ay 20 divided by 2. Open bracket. 2 times A sub 1 natin ay 9 plus the common difference na 7 and then the quantity of 20, yun yung n natin, minus 1. Okay, close bracket. So, yung 20 can be divided by 2 kasi even number yung numerator natin. So, that will be 10. And then, yung 2 times 9 is 18. Tapos, yung 7, yung 20 minus, yung 1 minus mo muna sa 20. So, ang kakalabasan natin, be S sub 20 equals to 10. Open bracket, 18 plus 7 times 19. So, let us remove the bracket. Multiply natin yung 7 tsaka 19 muna. So, S sub 20 is equal to 10 times the quantity of 18 plus 133. So, yung 133 ay nakuha by multiplying 7 by 19 or 19 by 7. Okay, so add na lang natin yung 18 muna tsaka yung 133. It will give us 151. And 151 times 10 is 1,510. So, ang sum of the first 20 terms ng sequence na ang first term daw ay 9 at ang common difference ay 7 is 1,510. So, sana na naintindihan natin itong example number 2. Let's go now to our last example, number 3. Find the sum of the first 15 terms of the arithmetic sequence 17, 22, 27, 32, and 37. Let us write down the given. Ang A sub 1 natin dito is 17. First term. Then, ang common difference ng bawat terms is equal to 5. Ang n natin is equal to 15. According to the problem, nakalagay 15 terms. We are required to find S sub 15 or the sum of the first 15 terms ng sequence na yan.
From the two formulas, alamin natin kung ano yung pwede natin gamitin base sa ating mga given. Sa given natin, meron tayong a sub 1, d, at saka n na nakikita ko dun sa ating first formula. Kasi sa second formula, kailangan natin yung a sub n or yung a sub 15 na kailangan pa natin na i-compute kung sakaling yung pangalawang formula ang gagamitin natin. Ayan na siya. Substitute na lang natin. So, S sub 15 na siya equals to n na may value na 15 divided by 2, open bracket, 2 times a sub 1 na 17 plus the common difference which is 5 times the quantity of n na 15 minus 1, close bracket. Perform muna natin yung mga operation na nasa loob ng grouping symbols. Okay, so yung 34 nakuha yun by multiplying 17 by 2. Tapos yung 14, 15 minus 1. Simplifying more. Multiply muna natin yung 5 at saka 14. So S sub 15 now will be equal to 15 over 2 times the quantity of 34 plus 70. 5 times 14 is 70. Add natin yung nasa loob ng parenthesis. We have now 15 over 2 times 104. If you notice, hindi natin na-divide yung 2 dun sa 15 kasi hindi siya, yung 15 kasi hindi siya divisible by 2. So, pinabayaan ko muna. And then, ayan na siya. Pwede mo na siyang i-divide dun sa 104. Unlike dun sa example number 1 tsaka number 2, na-divide natin kasi even number yung value ng n natin. Okay, so yung 104 now can be divided by 2 and that is 52. Ang gagawin na lang natin, i-multiply natin yung 15 sa 52 and yung ating S sub 15 is equal to 780. Okay, so sana may natutunan tayo dito sa ating video lesson. This ends my video. Thanks be to God.